Hey everybody, welcome back to another exciting video where I teach you the best ways to make money online. Today I'm going to show you how you can earn money day in and day out online just by sharing viral videos and blog articles. That's right, you can actually earn money without anyone buying anything, signing up for something, or even giving you their email address. And I'm not talking about ads here. You're going to be sharing viral content and videos that people are already searching for or want to see. I'm going to reveal exactly how it works, but please do yourself a favor and stay until the end because I'm going to show you how to take this strategy and ramp it up so you can make some serious cash. But before we get into all of that, if you're new here, welcome to your favorite, or what I hope will become your favorite channel to learn how to make money online. I post videos here regularly and always bring you the most up-to-date tactics and strategies to make money online that actually works. There are so many channels and videos running around on YouTube right now with half-stitched ideas and methods no one's actually ever used. Okay, let's dive into today's video on how to make money online sharing viral videos and blog posts from around the internet. Here we go. Step 1. Find YouTube videos or blog posts that are trending. Now you can do this in a particular niche if you already have one, but if you don't have one, you can simply go to the trending page of YouTube and find videos that are already quickly rising in popularity. The other place you can search for trending content is on Google News. Maybe sharing YouTube videos isn't your thing, but you like articles about space or the latest research in the medical field. Google News is a great place to find this kind of content. The point is, whether you're interested in, you can always most certainly find content that anyone's interested in the same type of content that you have and will want to check it out. Step 2, use AdFly to generate a short link for you. AdFly is a company that works a lot like Bitly, but instead of just shortening the link, AdFly will pay you every time someone clicks on that link. You don't have to buy something, sign up for anything, or even give an email address. They just have to click on the link, and AdFly will pay you for each and every click. This is a lot like the old days of digital marketing, where we used to put a banner ad on websites and used to get paid for impressions or even clicks. The advantage of AdFly is that we don't have to run banners or anything like that. You can use that link any way you want, from any article or any video. When we used to run banner ads, we were restricted to offer one, and to be honest, it always wasn't that good, so we had to find a way to make it exciting. But with AdFly, you can literally share videos of golden retriever puppies playing with toddlers and make money from that. Now, obviously, you're not going to become a millionaire from this method, or I would just do that 24 hours a day and not tell anyone about this secret. But I will show you a strategy at the end of the video to take you to this next level and make even more money from this method. But first, let's go to step 3. Step 3 is how you distribute the content or your link. Now, you can simply post it on social media or send it in an email, but then you're limiting yourself only to your own personal network. Additionally, what you can do is find Facebook groups or Reddit threads in that niche that your content is on and post it there. Remember, the goal is to make it look natural, not spam. So please don't take your cues from those old clickbait headlines and images that people grew to hate. Now, okay, let's go ahead and talk about how we can make and take relevant content, interesting content, and make money from it just by having people click on the link. But how can we take the strategy to the next level? To do that, it's all about where people go once they click on your link. If you're just sending them to a popular YouTube video or a piece of content you read on Google News, then that's as far as they go. And the only money you'll earn will be when someone clicks on the link. So what I want you guys to start thinking of is the content that you share with people contains your affiliate link for a product you're promoting. Here's a simple example. Let's say you were in the dog training niche. Well, the first thing you can do is sign up to become an affiliate of a dog training course on a website like ClickBank. Then you could write a simple blog post like the 5 top ways to keep your puppy from peeing on a carpet or something like that. And then you put your affiliate link in that article. Then you publish the content on Medium, where it's free to host articles you've written. Now take that link for an article and turn that into your AdFly link. Do you see where I'm going with this? Now, you're not only earning money from each click, but you have the potential to build your brand and, more importantly, get someone to click on your affiliate link and turn that into a sale. Now, you're really starting to generate income online because you're building multiple streams of income and taking advantage of every click someone makes with your content. And if you're still looking for a product to promote that's in a niche where loads of people are searching for and clicking on research, I'm going to want to have you follow on the link below. I'm going to show you how to take your favorite niche and the products to promote, where you can simply copy and paste to use to make your own. You'll find the link in the bio. Thanks so much for watching today's training. I'll see you around next time.